Good morning, children. Today we will take chapter 17, Conservation. Children, what comes in your mind when you see the word conservation?
Perhaps wildlife? Now question arises, what is wildlife? Children, wildlife means plants and animals in their natural habitat. Now again, question arises, why should we conserve plants and animals which have nothing to do with our lives? So children, this is what we will learn in this chapter. We will discuss the factors which endanger wildlife, the consequences of destroying wildlife, and the steps being taken to conserve wildlife.
So, children, let's start. We'll take the topic biodiversity and loss of biodiversity. Now, what is biodiversity? Children, biodiversity means the variety and variability of organisms in the world. Variability means the possibility of variation. Example, various types of plants in a forest. This is variety. Actually, biodiversity is the shortened form of two words, biological and diversity. It refers to all the variety of life that can be found on earth, which includes plant, animals, fungi and microorganisms, as well as the communities that they form and the habitat in which they live. Before we proceed further, children, let's have a look on this video. The word biodiversity will be more clear.
Biodiversity. Introduction. If you look around you, you may get to see several different kinds of plants and animals. Let's take the example of your neighborhood garden or park. A typical neighborhood park may be home to a variety of flowers, each different in size, shape, color and smell. The kind of trees found here could range from big trees to small bushes. You may also have a variety of animals visiting this park. Forests are home to a diverse variety of plants, and type of plants and animals found in a forest depends on the soil and climatic conditions of the region. The existence of a diverse variety of plants, animals, and other living forms is known as biodiversity. Biodiversity. Terms. Let us learn some of the terms associated with biodiversity. Species. A species refers to a group or class of animals or plants having certain common and permanent characteristics that clearly distinguish it from other groups. Habitat. The natural surroundings of a plant or animal species, where it grows, multiplies and thrives naturally, are called its habitat. Flora and fauna. The numerous species of plants living in their natural surroundings, habitat, are termed as the flora of the place, and the animal species constitute the fauna. Together, the flora and fauna of a place form the biodiversity of a place.
Now, loss of biodiversity. Biodiversity is under grave danger due to various human activities. According to the International Union of Conservation of Nature and Natural Resources IUCN, the world loses about 3 species every day. Now, What is a species? Species means types of animal or plant. When a plant or animal vanishes from the world or from a country, it is said to have become extinct. Example, the dodo has become extinct in the world, while the cheetah and the pink-headed duck have become extinct in India. Children, have you seen dodo or pink-headed duck? I will show you. This is picture of dodo which has been extinct in the world. Cheetah extinct in India. Pink-headed duck extinct in India. Now children, what do you mean by endangered? An animal or plant is said to be endangered if it faces the possibility of extinction in the near future unless the factors threatening its existence are controlled. Some endangered animals found in India are like Nilgiri Rangoor, its habitat is Western Ghat, peacock peasant, Himalayas, crocodile, East Coast, snow leopard, Himalayas, desert cat, Thar Desert, giant flying squirrel, Himalayas, Himalayan brown bear, Himalayas, great Indian python, Northeast, Indian wild ass, run of Kutch, Gujarat, wild yak, Ladakh, Kashmir, Gangetic dolphin, Ganga. Now children, I will show you some of the pictures of these endangered animals. Nilgiri Rangoor, its habitat is Western Ghat. Snow leopard, its habitat is Himalayas. Giant flying squirrel, habitat is Himalayas. Indian wild ass, habitat is Run of Kutch. Now children, what are those factors which threaten the existence of a species? We will discuss only the factors related to our human activities, but in next video. Now there is a worksheet for you. Answer the following questions. What is wildlife? Children, in the beginning of this video, I have defined the wildlife. Children, we can define wildlife. Plants and animals in their natural habitat are called wildlife. Question 2. What does extinct means? Children, when a plant or animal vanishes from the world or from a country, it is said to have become extinct. Question 3. Name an animal that has become extinct in the world and one that is extinct in India. So children, you have seen the pictures of those animals. Dodo which has extinct in the world, and cheetah or pink-headed duck, which has been extinct in India. Now question 4. Where is the habitat of Indian wild ass? So children, if you remember your last picture, the habitat of Indian wild ass is Rann of Kutch, Gujarat. Question 5. What is the full form of IUCN?
The full form of IUCN is International Union of Conservation of Nature and Natural Resources.
Next question, question number 6. What is biodiversity? How is it linked to our survival?
Children, biodiversity refers to a wide range of different types of organisms in the world. Biodiversity is linked to our survival. The food we eat to gain energy comes from different plants and animals. The oxygen that we breathe is released by plants during photosynthesis. If the biodiversity of a place is disturbed, it will create an imbalance in the atmospheric composition. This will ultimately lead to the destruction of human life.
You can have a look on the answers. So children, this is end of the video. Thank you children.